Hello everyone. Welcome, I'm AI Sam. I'm AI Sam, your guide today. We're learning Canva, a fun, easy design tool for creating cards, posters, and more. Take a look. Let me point this out with a list. Layout, text, images, elements, export. By the end, you'll create your first design, add text, images, and elements, and download it to share with family or friends. Why Canva is useful. Take a look at these examples of greeting cards and flyers. Canva helps you make professional-looking designs easily, no complicated software needed. This is perfect for seniors wanting creative fun. Take a look at close-up of Canva homepage on this screen. Here's the Canva home screen.
You can start a new design or select a template. It's simple and intuitive, even for beginners. Need to select a template. Take a look. I'm going to click a template category.
Let's pick a template. These templates give you a ready-made layout. You can edit text, images, and colors to make it yours.
Adding text drags a text box onto design. To add text, click Text, choose a style, and type.
You will need to change fonts, size, and color to suit your project. Watch me do it. This is part of editing text. Take a close-up of text box being edited.
Notice how easy it is to edit. You can move text, make it bold, or change alignment. Practice makes it perfect.
This is the Photos tab, selecting a sunny landscape. Next, we'll add an image. Canva has thousands of free photos. You will need to click and drag to place it anywhere on your design. This then allows you to resizing and positioning images next. I'll drag corners of image, adjusting size. You will need to resize or reposition images easily. Use handles to stretch or shrink. Plus, keep experimenting until it looks just right. You will need to add elements. The screen shows Elements tab. This is cool. I can add a star and heart. Elements like shapes, icons, and stickers add flair. Click, drag, and place them wherever you like for extra fun.
Layering elements lets moves a sticker behind text. You can layer items, bring elements forward or send backward. This is great. It gives your design depth and style. Changing backgrounds. You can make color swatches appear. Backgrounds set the mood. Lots of options.
You can pick a color or image. Simple changes make a big difference in your design's feel. I'm copying an element.
This is how you make copies using the mouse. Want the same element twice? I'm going to right-click to duplicate. It saves time and keeps your layout consistent.
Group items to move them together. This is handy for keeping your design organized. Try it on your shapes. You can undo and redo. Take a look. Made a mistake? Don't worry, undo and redo buttons help you fix anything quickly. Learning is risk-free here. I'm adding a photo frame. Frames make images stand out.
I'm going to drag my photo into a frame, and Canva adjusts it automatically. Easy and neat. This way, using icons and stickers, the screen then shows heart, star, and dog stickers.
Notice, icons and stickers bring personality. You can add fun items like puppies or festive elements to make it playful. Take a look. You can rotate a sticker. Rotate objects to your liking. Even small rotations can make designs more dynamic and eye-catching.
Different ways you can lay the display out. Adjusting transparency.
Take a look. Change transparency to layer elements subtly. It's a professional trick that adds depth to your designs.
Alignment and spacing. Looking forward to seeing that.
Take a look. I'm using alignment guides. Align elements for balance. Canva shows guides to center and space items evenly. Neat and tidy designs impress.
It's easy to add multiple. Just click Add Page. You can create multi-page designs like brochures.
Click Add Page to continue your work seamlessly across slides. This is great. I can create duplicates page for editing. Helpful, duplicate pages to keep layout consistent.
This is how you do it. Edit one page, then tweak the duplicate. Saves time and effort. Using folders. I can organize images in folders. Notice, it's easier to find assets and reduces frustration later.
This is great that you can add comments to designs for notes or collaboration. Great if family helps, or you want reminders.
This is just what I have been looking for to manage my photos and create with them. Canva is great and easy to work with. In addition, share your design via link. Others can view or edit if you allow. Canva makes teamwork simple and safe.
In creating, you can drag audio clips onto design. Plus, enhance designs with music or your pet audio. It's perfect for video posts or slideshows.
Another great option, choose sound that fits the mood.
You can also do basic animation. All you need to do is click Animate tab. Elements will move slightly. Now, animate elements to create motion. Different options. Simple fades or pans bring your design to life, and it's easy to preview. Downloading and exporting. When done, download your work as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Canva makes saving and sharing designs fast and simple. Here are some steps I've listed. Learn steps. So far, we've explored templates, text, images, elements, and exporting. You're doing great! That's right! Remember to practice. Our pets want to learn and design also. Oops! Just so that you know, it's easy to use Canva on mobile.
Wow, this is great that I can use it anywhere. Canva works with multiple platforms. I can create designs on my tablet or phone, perfect for on-the-go fun.
You can resize designs for social media, print, or presentations. One click adapts layout for multiple uses.
Expanding of features, Canva templates. We can do a deep dive. I'm selecting a card template. Templates save time.
Extensive options. You can fully edit text, colors, images, and even swap fonts. It's beginner-friendly magic. The screens will show colors and fonts. We can set up a brand kit to save favorite colors, fonts, and logos. Even seniors find keeping consistency is easy. We can also duplicate flyers to Instagram size. With Magic Resize, one design fits multiple platforms. Canva handles the hard work automatically.
This is really nice to be able to share designs safely. You control view or edit permissions.
Those watching, how many family projects would you like to share? Please leave comments below. At the same time, please click on the subscribe and like button.
See some tips for clear text in large heading. Use legible fonts, enough contrast, and spacing.
Clear text ensures your message is readable and professional. Layer order review. Let me show you stacked layers panel.
Please hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps our channel. Thank you. It's important. Keep elements in front and background elements behind. Looks neat. Yes, it's great with photo filters and effects. I'll apply filters. Lots of options. Adding filters or adjust brightness, contrast, saturation. These subtle changes make your images pop. Here is a summary of today. You've learned templates, text, images, elements, animations, resizing, and exporting. Well done.
Tell us what you're excited to create. Comment below with your first Canva project idea.
Please let us know if you liked the video. Share with us your next project with Canva.
Looks like the pets are testing their design skills. Don't worry, they'll stick to moral support.
Take a look at adding videos to Canva. Just drag video clip. Easy adding videos to Canva designs.
You can trim, resize, and position clips easily, great for slideshows or short clips. Adding audio narration screen shows record button.
Record voice narration directly in Canva. It's simple and makes presentations personal and engaging.
Group project. Let's work together. Working on a project with friends or family. Canva lets multiple people contribute safely and efficiently. I have my AI robot friend here, suggesting projects.
Take a look at these Charts tab. Adds bar chart. Include charts or graphs to visualize data, drag, edit, and label for clarity. Useful for club reports or projects. You can export for sharing and download. Screen shows formats. Finalize your design. Export as PNG, JPG, or PDF. You're ready to share or print. We covered a lot today with Canva. Great job. Today we've covered templates, text, images, elements, layers, animations, sharing, and exporting. You can create confidently. AI plus Canva, AI and Canva disclosure. This video includes AI-generated content and was created for learning purposes.
This is great. It's encouraging me to practice. Now it's your turn. Open Canva and try creating a simple card or poster.
AI disclaimer. This video uses AI tools for education, entertainment, and general guidance only. AI-generated characters, voices, and content, including pets and humorous elements, are fictional.
We love hearing your creative ideas. Leave in comments. This video contains AI-generated educational content. Canva is used only for demonstration purposes. All Canva trademarks belong to their owners. No endorsement or affiliation. Even our furry helpers think you did great today. High paws and purrs all around. Congratulations, you now know the basics of Canva. See you in the next lesson.